How to use leads in Monday.com. You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Create a new board and title it something like Sales Leads. This board will act as your main hub for capturing and managing all your incoming leads in one. Structured location. 2. Add essential columns like name, email, company, status, and deal value. These columns will help you easily organize and identify relevant details about each lead. 3. Use the status column to indicate lead progress. Common statuses can include new, contacted, proposal sent, and closed. This helps your team see what stage each lead is in. 4. Set up automations that trigger actions when a status is updated. For example, automatically move a lead to another group or notify the sales team once a lead turns to proposal sent. 5. Assign leads to specific team members using the people column. This keeps accountability clear and ensures no lead is left unattended. 6. Use filters to highlight key lead segments, like high-value clients or those that need follow-up this week. Save these views for quick and focused access. 7. Integrate lead capture forms or your CRM to auto-populate leads into Monday.com. This streamlines the process and prevents manual entry errors.